We're gonna get a little bit, we're gonna turn.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's nothing like what's in the video. That's a whole nother level. Golly, that took my breath away.
And you just gotta let your head bend. Yeah, that's perfect. Good.
Oh, fudge. That almost feels like you're gonna rip my...
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
This is creating a problem. A chiropractor is correcting the problem.
Okay, so we're gonna adjust in the mid back first, okay?
Vamos a empezar en la espalda media.
Deep breath in,
Suspira adentro.
all the way out. Wow, that's a big one. Okay, one more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect.
Open your mouth a little bit more. Just relax.
Oh!
There you go. Look at the difference. You can see the indent there now.
Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell, you fuckhead?
Drop it. Right.
If your neck been hurting, watch this.
Oh, wow. I was like, he's doing it right now. He's doing it right now. He's doing it right now. You got me. That was good. Wow, I guess I need it. That feels so good. Good.
Go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Just relax it. Just relax it. Okay, go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Just relax it. Good.
I can't reach my arm behind my back. It hurts like right here. It hurts like right there. Whew. Ooh.
This way. Feel a little bit of a pull here. Oh. Wow.
My lower back is killing me. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Oh my God. That was incredible.
Breathe all the way out. Oh. Oh.
Shoulders down, relax.
Oh, God. Oh.
That's okay.
Oh, God. Oh, that's beautiful. I really need it.
Okay.
So your back hurts? Yeah, I'm a chiro. I'll show you how to stretch it. Sit up, leg up, bend it. Hold for 30 seconds. Then switch it. I'm a chiro.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Just gonna exact where I need to. Hand right into my arm there. Just relax for me. Now just come forward with me. Come forward. Come forward. Just relax. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very good.
He thought I done.
So I want you to
Broke
let your
his
head
neck.
go down. Yeah, so I just want you to let it go.
Oh God. Oh boy. I've seen that in them videos. It does look scary.
Yeah? How does it feel though?
Yeah, I thought you're gonna break it or something. It's still there.
Hey guys, so you've always wanted to see me get adjusted. Check this out. Ooh, baby. Ooh.
Her one saint
You're
crack
gonna
was
turn your head.
life-changing.
You're doing good.
Wow. I mean, it just feels like I've been building up for so many years. And nothing I did would give me relief.
Wow. I'm rest. Deep breath.
Oh my God.
Wow. That was huge.
Both of them.
Some scraping the top of your shoulder. You're gonna feel. Nice, easy.
This first crack changed her life.
Okay, let this relax a little bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please tell me you're doing the other
Oh,
side.
I'm doing the other side.
That was nice. It just, a lot came out. I could feel it.
Mm-hmm.